Come on. Stink face. You're not liking pineapple, huh? Yeah, some more.
And you have to know that in the locker room before the game, Michelle Terry and Pittsburgh's coach talked about the Flyers power play.
Now she's not going to do stink face anymore. She's not going to eat it. Yummy. Yucky. You don't like that, do you? No, you don't. Oh.
Much of late, they have allowed a power play goal in 7 consecutive games, only going at about a 72% clip there.
She's not liking that.